Welcome to Uncle Les's gardening update for 2023. You are looking at a critter defense mechanism with the owl. This is our green bean patch. We have 50 bush bean seeds I planted on Thursday afternoon and 50 wax beans on this side. And of course, Mom's Easter lily there, Mama Easter lily. So we should have some green beans popping in a few days. So we're going to go back to the patio now. And we've got some tomato plants that we bought and we put in today. And we got a beefsteak, big boy, better boy, and 2 early girls. And then we've got green beans, pole beans, Kentucky White Half Runners seeds we put in this pot today, me and Aunt Joanne. And she's here visiting from Michigan for a couple weeks. And pie pans, you can see here, more critter defense mechanisms waving in the wind. Just had a shower go by before I did this video. And we have asparagus bean seeds in this pot, more asparagus bean seeds in this pot. And then we've got Kentucky White Half Runners in this pot, another critter defense mechanism that Aunt Jo put up. The hawk garlic chives. Mamaw has parsley. And here's Mamaw's spice rack we got over here, folks. And we've got sweet basil in the first pot. And then we're going to have, let me see which one that is. That is oregano. No, I'm sorry, that's not oregano. Thyme, pardon me, thyme. Dill is this one. And then we've got oregano here. Yeah, this one's oregano, the Greek oregano. And then some marigold dusty millers. And here's thank you very much, thank you. And our holly bushes. And then our rose bush came back. Our rose bush is alive. It came back. That looks great. Mamaw's hostices you're looking at now as we go by. And we're going to start looking at Mamaw's flowers in the front yard now. And a hanging plant with impatiens. Doesn't that look gorgeous? And some nice grass. Gorgeous looking there. Our bushes came back after the rough winter. You can see here they're coming back nice. Got some pots here on the porch. More Mamaw's flowers. Impatiens and dusty millers. More impatiens and some wild looking grass here of some kind. And then we've got another little pot on the porch here. Looking really nice with a marigold and a dusty miller. Old watering can that I broke that we're now using as a flower pot. And plants from Mamaw's 50th and Grandpa's 50th wedding anniversary party are mixed in here with some other plants. Lavender and some other plants. Some of these are perennials, some are annuals. So there we go. And then we just got to plant these succulents once we drag the fairy garden out. We still got to do that, but otherwise there's some succulents. And then finally a couple of pots here with some coleuses and impatiens in the big pot. And in this bottom pot here is dusty miller and impatiens. Aunt Jo's going to take that oregano and that purple Cherokee purple tomato plant home to Michigan when she leaves. So those are not going to be in our Uncle Les's gardening update video in a little while from now. Those will not be in the next video. But alright, that is it. I hope everybody enjoyed it. Thank you very much, and we will see you soon. Bye now.